In this video, I'll be showing you the Bitcoin money supply compared to the global money supply, and if we have bottomed out and whether we are ready for an upside move. I'll also be showing you the ETF inflows and showing how Bitcoin has been beating gold, looking at the charts and the fear and greed index and spotting opportunities in this market. Let's just get right into the content. My name is OP. I'm a prop trader from Ashed, and I'm here to give you daily crypto analysis to make you a better trader and to make you money in this market, and to frankly speaking, buy your Ferraris. Let's go. Right now, we just take a look at the global money M2 money supply, and you can see right now we seem to have bottomed out, and we are about to go on a parabolic run, and we are about to move upward. So right now, it's not a correlation; it is just about how we are going to move forward, and we are going to be eating gold's launch. And you can see that with the ETF inflows, gold has been declining down while Bitcoin has been going up. So you see much buyers, and you see 5.25 billion in net flows for Bitcoin ETFs, while gold has been getting 1.58 billion in net outflows. So people are literally coming out of gold and going into Bitcoin ETFs, and this is what we want. This is what is going to drive the market into gazillions and gazillions. So right now, we just take a look at the charts and we see what is happening with the chart, and you can see from last week we came to reclaim the support of 103. So that is very good, and that is showing us we still have a bullish uptrend and a bullish structure still intact. Right now, what we need to be doing this week on Bitcoin chart is to be able to reclaim the $106,000 level, and once we can reclaim this resistance and we can break through the resistance and reclaim that as support, then we are back in the game. We should be longing around there, and that is time for everyone to take a long at 106. Once we reclaim that support, then we are going upward. And we are looking at 110, 115, 130, and the rest is history, and we'll be talking about new all-timers, and everyone is happy, everyone is in profit, and that is what we are looking at. Looking at the RSI, what do we see? The RSI, we seem to be pointing downward, so it looks like we will be reclaiming support on the RSIs of the middle range, which is 50, which is very good. So we should be looking at support levels right now for us just reclaim support on the RSI, but on the daily chart, we look at it, we are still above the 103, which is very good. It's showing us bullish momentum, it's showing us everything is going, but right now we need to reclaim this support. We wait and see, sit on our hands, and we watch at what is going on. Right now, no spots, nothing is really looking bullish, nothing is really looking exciting in the market. So these are times for all of us to watch and see and let the price come to us. This is what is going on. Looking at the fear and greed index, what do we see? We are still in greed territory, just like but yesterday we are at 56 levels. Now we are at 64 levels. So we are inching more and more into more and more greed, and you can see that is even reflecting in the altcoins market, and you can see what is happening in the altcoins. You can see a mixed bag really, but more green than red. So we can see what stands out to us is Flare, Zcash, Hypecoin, White Rock, which is a new coin, Fatcoin, XMR, Monero. All those ones are really bullish on the day. So we should be expecting what is going to be happening throughout the day, and that will be giving us an analysis and what is going on. Right now, we really don't have no clear sense of direction. We look bullish, but on the Bitcoin chart, but these two will make us to still be watching and to wait and watch what is going to be happening for the rest of this week, because we just started this today as a Monday, because Monday determines the way the weekly will move and what is going to happen for the rest of the week. This week, we are going to be having a very heavy economic data week. We have the Fed chairman Jerome Powell speaking today, and we have a couple of data coming out, unemployment data, the PPI, and all of that coming out this week, which will be making us understand and see the market from a broader macro perspective, which will still give us a view on what direction the Fed is going in terms of interest rate, inflation, and all of that. And that also determines how much liquidity and how much money is going to be flowing into risky assets, especially something like what we are into, which is Bitcoin. So this is what I have for you in this video. Watch my next video, which will be spotting more opportunities, because right now we are just looking at levels. We have just been able to capture levels today in this video and to show you the levels we need to reclaim, like $106,000 levels, and we need to stay above the support of $103,000 level. So we seem to be range bounding between that 103 and 106. So we still range bounding there. We still wait and watch, and once we reclaim any support, we attack and we take our trades, and that is where I will be spotting the opportunities. So make sure you like and subscribe, and you follow me, and you watch every single video, because we will be spotting opportunities, and you don't want to be late to any video and to any opportunity, because the time is now for us to make money and to become rich. Zero to Ferrari. I see you tomorrow. Bye.